What's going on, guys, and welcome to JavaScript tutorial. In this video we're going to talk about conditional statements. Now, conditional statements are like an option. So let's say you're going to see your friend, and if the light is, let's say, green, then you pass the road, and if it's red, then you stop. So it's the same with the computer. You're basically giving them a set of rules which the computer needs to follow. So let me show you by example. So let's say I created here a var, and the var is going to be named score, right? And I'm going to say that score is, let's say, equal to 90, right? So what I want to do is I want a computer to write "you are a genius" on a screen if the score is, let's say, bigger than 50, or if it's less than 50, I want to say you need to go and study. So it's something like as if I would create some type of test, and then I would be just displaying the results on the screen. So the way you would write a conditional statement, you'd always need to start it with if. And if signals that there's going to be a condition. And the way you write the condition, you actually create over here parentheses, and then you need to write your condition within the parentheses. So in this case, I want to say that if score, and over here I'm going to say is bigger than 50, and these are going to be the operators that we're going to actually cover in the next video, and those are called comparison operators, so don't worry about it right now. Just follow along, and you will get there very soon. And when I'm done with this, when I say if score is 50, now I need to tell computer what to do if that condition is met. So let's say I have to create right now these curly brackets, and then I want to say document, and I'm going to say write, and I'm going to say you are very smart, right? So, and again, just because it's curly brackets doesn't mean that I don't need to finish my statement. So over here I still need to put a semicolon. So I just save this over here, and sure enough, you're very smart. Now, let's say that I would have to say that the score is actually needs to be more than 100, right? So I go over here and I save this, and nothing happens. And the reason why nothing happens, you can see over here that it only has two values, or two options, I'm sorry. It has an option of where the score would be actually more than 90, or more than 100, or it would be actually less than 100. So in this case, the score is 90, so it's actually less than 100. So it's not going to do the case that you wanted. It's not going to print it on a screen. It's actually going to do anything. But if the score was more than 50, which was the case, then once we run it, our condition is actually shown on the screen.